How to fix Gjensidige Bank App not working. Let's get started. Solution 1. Update the app to its latest version. For that, launch your Play Store or App Store. Now at the top, you're going to see the search box. Over there, type in the app name, Gjensidige, and then search for it. With that, app will appear. After app appears, at the right corner of it, you're going to see the option of Open or Update. If you find the option of Update over here, just click on it and update the app to its latest version. Then you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. Solution 2. Clear cache for the app. For that, launch your settings. Now scroll down, navigate to the option of General. Click on iPhone storage option. In this page, you're going to find different apps that are installed in a device. Find the app Gjensidige. After you find it, open it. Now click on Offload app. Click on Offload app. Offloading app clears cache for the app. Then click on Reinstall app. Once completion of reinstallation process, you can check whether your problem has been solved or not. If these two solutions doesn't work for you, what you can do is apply solution 3. That is, you'll need to completely delete this app from a device and reinstall it. For that, click on the option of Delete app. Click on Delete app. With that, you just deleted the app from a device. Now you can close this. Launch your App Store or Play Store. Search for the app Gjensidige. After app appears, install it. By following these solutions, your problem will be fixed. So this is how you can easily fix Gjensidige app not working. At the end, if you guys find this video helpful, don't forget to like, share, and subscribe to our channel. Thanks for watching.